How can I enable WebGL in my browser? I'd like to be able to use WebGL-based sites like ShaderToy, WebGL Earth, etc. But those sites tell me that WebGL is disabled in my browser. How can I enable WebGL so I can view these sites?
I've made this answer a community wiki post, so please update it if you notice any out of date or missing information. Browser support for WebGL. Check canuse.com/WebGL to see whether your browser supports WebGL. Enabling WebGL. If your browser supports WebGL, follow these instructions to enable it. Chrome. First, enable hardware acceleration. Go to Chrome column//settings. Click the Advanced button at the bottom of the page. In the System section, ensure the Use Hardware Acceleration when available checkbox is checked. You'll need to relaunch Chrome for any changes to take effect. Then enable WebGL. Go to Chrome column//flags. Ensure that Disable WebGL is not activated. You'll need to relaunch Chrome for any changes to take effect. In newer versions, this option of Disable WebGL will not be available. You will instead have to search for WebGL 2.0, or some different version, that looks like this. Here you will have to change Default to Enabled in the drop-down. Try this. If above doesn't work, enable Override Software Rendering List. Then inspect the status of WebGL. Go to Chrome column//poo. Inspect the WebGL item in the Graphics Feature Status list. The status will be one of the following. Hardware accelerated, WebGL is enabled and hardware accelerated, running on the graphics card. Software only, hardware acceleration unavailable, WebGL is enabled, but running in software. See here for more info. For software rendering of WebGL, Chrome uses Swift Shader, a software GL rasterizer. Unavailable, WebGL is not available in hardware or software. If the status is not hardware accelerated, then the Problems Detected list, below the Graphics Feature Status list, may explain why hardware acceleration is unavailable. If your graphics card/drivers are blacklisted, you can override the blacklist. Warning, this is not recommended. See Blacklist note below. To override the blacklist, go to Chrome column//flags. Activate the Override Software Rendering List setting. You'll need to relaunch Chrome for any changes to take effect. For more information, see Chrome Help, WebGL and 3D Graphics. Firefox. First, enable WebGL. Go to About Column Config. Search for WebGL.disabled. Ensure that its value is false. Any changes take effect immediately without relaunching Firefox. Then inspect the status of WebGL. Go to About Column Support. Inspect the WebGL renderer row in the graphics table. If the status contains a graphics card manufacturer, model and driver, e.g., NVIDIA Corporation, NVIDIA GeForce GT 650mm OpenGL engine, then WebGL is enabled. If the status is something like blocked for your graphics card because of unresolved driver issues or blocked for your graphics driver version, then your graphics card/driver is blacklisted. If your graphics card/drivers are blacklisted, you can override the blacklist. Warning, this is not recommended. See Blacklist note below. To override the blacklist, go to About Column Config. Search for WebGL.force enabled. Set it to true. Like Chrome, Firefox has a Use Hardware Acceleration when available checkbox. In Preferences is greater than Advanced is greater than General is greater than Browsing. However, unlike Chrome, Firefox does not require this checkbox to be checked for WebGL to work. Safari. Go to Safari's Preferences. Select the Advanced tab. Ensure that the Show Develop menu and menu bar checkbox is checked. In Safari's Develop menu, select Experimental Features submenu and ensure that WebGL 2.0 is checked. Notes. Upgrading graphics drivers. If your graphics drivers are too old to support WebGL, you may be able to upgrade them. More information is available here. Chrome, graphics aren't showing properly. Firefox, upgrade your graphics drivers. Blacklists. Certain graphics cards and drivers are blacklisted by some browsers, because they are known to contain serious bugs or cause crashes. In very severe cases, these can even cause the entire computer to freeze. For example, this issue causes certain Mac computers to freeze and require restarting. Many browsers have an option to override the blacklist, attempt to use the blacklisted features, despite the risks. This is not recommended. You should only override the blacklist if you understand and accept the risks. More information is available here. WebGL blacklists. Chrome, blacklisted POO features. Chrome, POO driver bug list. Firefox, blocked graphics drivers.
Very useful for Chrome, except that it might be best to clarify the Disable WebGL option, which is not obvious in Chrome. The Disable WebGL option has to have been disabled, double negative, i.e. the link below must say Enable, meaning that disabling WebGL is off. May save someone a few minutes. Best wishes. Andy.
Let's